Low pressure's been on the scene for a while, of course. That keeps the weather unsettled. What we need is high pressure to move in, and, well, at least it's trying through the rest of this week, certainly nudging in across southern parts of the UK. A little bit half-hearted, never quite pushing in far enough to completely get us rid of that Atlantic influence with the cooler winds and the showers. But even so, it's a pretty good start, and by the weekend there'll be some decent weather around for many of us. Still some showers around across northern areas, particularly the northwest of Scotland and occasionally into Northern Ireland, but for a good part of England and Wales there will be a lot of dry weather and reasonably warm in that sunshine as well, perhaps as high as 25 degrees across the south. Still got some showers around today, though, affecting southwestern parts of England. There's been the odd heavy one around, and it's really anywhere from the southwest through the Midlands up towards Yorkshire. We're going to see further showers breaking out through this afternoon. One or two popping up across Northern Ireland too. Most other areas managing to stay dry with rather variable amounts of sunshine, but even without much sunshine it's pretty warm and quite humid. A couple of hot spots could be the Moray Firth and perhaps the north coast of Norfolk. Could well see temperatures here up to 23 or 24 degrees. Now, it's going to be quite muggy overnight as well. We'll find the cloud thickening as the night goes on, and eventually some outbreaks of rain moving into Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland. So quite a damp start to the day here, I think. One or two heavy outbreaks, and that'll just nudge in across western parts of Wales and England as the morning goes on. Some bright skies to start the day further east across much of eastern Scotland and easternmost parts of England. Probably hang on to some brightness here through the day. And as that rain band just edges further east, it's going to turn rather more showery, so potential for some fairly heavy showers to break out. Continue across Scotland as well, fairly late on before it reaches the east. But behind it, some brighter skies pushing into much of western Wales, Northern Ireland and eventually western Scotland. And here, feeling a bit fresher, I think, as that brighter weather moves in. Top temperatures around 18 degrees. Still fairly humid, though, as you move further west. But not a bad day for watching the first day of the test. England-West Indies, of course. 24 degrees the top temperature, probably getting away without many interruptions, maybe just the odd shower drifting through for a time. As we move through towards the end of the week, that's when the fine weather starts to kick in across southern parts. I think there will be a reasonable amount of sunshine around for much of England and Wales. Feeling quite warm in that sunshine as well. Always, though, the chance of showers pushing in across the northwest of Scotland into Northern Ireland from time to time as well, blown on by some fairly brisk winds. But having said that, even here, I think we will get some drier and brighter spells from time to time. So, as I say, some room for optimism.